EPN Urgent Care has been serving Naples for over 12 years. They are conveniently located right off Davis Boulevard. Let's go inside and meet the staff. We are here with Dr. Linzer and Greg Levy, the Director of Operations. So tell us about EPN Urgent Care and what services do you offer?
Well, EPN is a urgent care facility that offers superior urgent care services, and also we do full occupational medicine services. We're open from 8 a.m. in the morning till 7 o'clock at night, Monday through Saturday. Sundays and holidays we're open from 8 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock at night. Staff with a board-certified physician. We take care of upper respiratory infections, sore throats, bladder infections. We do school and sports physicals, DOT physicals for our truck drivers that share the roads with us. And if unfortunate circumstance arises where you have an injury on the job site, we can easily take care of that here at EPN. We have digital x-ray on site and laboratory services also. I'd like to introduce Greg Levy. He's the Director of Operations for EPN Urgent Care.
What is the average time that a patient stays here at EPN?
So our goal is to have patients in and out within an hour. No appointments necessary, but for those patients who'd rather wait at home than in our lobby, they can book their arrival time on epncare.com.
Dr. Linzer, why is EPN a good choice?
EPN's a good choice because we're convenient, we're local to where you work, live, and play. We take Humana, United Healthcare, Blue Cross Blue Shield, Molina, and all Medicare insurance plans.
So where can people go for quality, convenient care?
Well, EPN Urgent Care is located in Naples at 6400 Davis Boulevard. Our phone number is 239-775-2300, and you can find out more at epncare.com.
You only live life once, and at YOLO Wellness, they are here to help you feel, look, and be your very best. Let's go inside and meet with the owners. We are here with Wendy and Rodney Law, the owners. So can you start by telling us about your different healing modalities?
Yeah, here we are in our hyperbaric room. We have 6 hyperbaric chambers at a mild pressure, 1.3 ATAs or 4 PSI. So people come in here for various indications, whether it's inflammation, wound healing, different autoimmune disorders. Our Magnosphere chair is a total immersion of resonance magnetic therapy, and that also helps with healing, telling our cells exactly where they're supposed to be, what frequency waves are supposed to be set at. And we also specialize in thermographic imaging, which is a test of the sympathetic nervous system. If there's a dysfunction going on in the sympathetic nervous system, it'll either radiate a heat pattern or a cooling pattern. In addition, we also do extensive blood panels, which covers our micronutrient test panels, our cardiometabolic, CBCs, thyroid hormone, as well as testing for foods, dyes, molds, additives, preservatives, colorings, and medications.
And what would you say is your philosophy on helping people?
It's been Wendy's philosophy since the inception of YOLO Wellness, you only live life once, that basically it's a whole person experience. So we incorporate mind, body, and soul, our spirit.
How can we all find you?
We're located at the corner of Winkler and Metro. Our website is YOLO Wellness.com, and our phone number is 239-275-0039.
Let the light illuminate from within here at the Sunshine State Counseling Center. Let's go meet with the therapists and find out more about them. We are here with Megan and Diana. So tell us about Sunshine State Counseling Center.
Well, Diana and I are both licensed clinical social workers and registered play therapists. We have created and put together Sunshine State Counseling Center for the Southwest Florida community to offer psychotherapy to individuals, couples, families, adults. We really wanted to make sure that everyone felt comfortable, confident. Our therapists are very educated. We really continue with training. So that's really what we wanted to do here.
So what are some of the signs that someone might need your services?
Well, sometimes there are difficult situations we all go through, and those situations and occasions lead to symptoms or feelings that are overwhelming to people to cope with. So some of those symptoms could be depression, anxiety, excessive worry, fears. It's anything that causes difficulty for people to just continue on with their daily lives.
And how do clients feel after therapy?
Well, while they're in therapy, we're really working together to create a treatment plan. So we're really teaching them the tools and techniques to implement for any problems that they're having, whether it's in their work, in marriage, in school. So we're really doing a collaboration together to help them feel successful after treatment.
Well, how do we learn more?
You can go to our website at sscc.center. You can also call us at 239-495-7722.
We are visiting Symmetry in Naples. Let's find out how they can help you move better to feel better. So Jay, tell us all about what you do here.
So I see people with physical issues. So mostly people come to me because they're not moving well or they don't feel well, right? Your general kind of things. People complain about back pain, knee pain, hip pain, that sort of thing. So they can't move well or they don't feel well.
So what is muscle system care?
Muscle system care is what I provide to my clients. So here's the idea. Whenever we look at someone that's not moving well, most likely something's going on, something's not ideal, right? If we do it the other way and we say, I may be hurting because I don't move well, the next question is, how do I move better? And then the next question is, what's the only thing in my body responsible for moving me? And that answer is your muscle system. So my job is to find the aspects of people's muscle system where it's not functioning well and improve that quality so they move better to feel better.
So what kind of people use it? How do they use it?
So a lot of the people that see me are, they're tennis players, they're golfers, some are aspiring professionals, some are just amateurs. We have a lot of exercisers, people with neck pain, a lot of your standard stuff, right? The things that they would label as plantar fasciitis or rotator cuff issues, or just generalized, oh, I strained my hip or my hamstring. So people that don't feel well and those that don't move well.
Now, how does this fit in with what other healthcare practitioners are doing?
So basically what's going on is this. There's a bunch of options that currently exist. Sometimes they don't work, right? They're not the solution. Then I usually get a phone call and then I end up seeing them.
So how can we get started?
Sure. So you can contact us at musclesystemcare.com or you can call us at 239-940-2121.
Trinity Wellness offers fitness, massage, and wellness coaching, so you can get the health benefits of combining all three. Let's go meet with them and find out more. We are here with Danielle, the owner of Trinity Wellness. So tell us, what does Trinity Wellness mean to you?
Well, just as the religious aspects are Father, Son, Holy Spirit, Trinity Wellness for me is massage, fitness, and wellness coaching. So really, it's holistic wellness, and my specialty is integrative wellness therapy, which incorporates all that I do into one.
So what prompted your passion for integrative wellness?
Well, when I was 17, I felt the calling to become a massage therapist while at a church youth group. I knew I wanted to help people in some way, and this is what I chose. With my own physical ailments, I feel I am blessed with all these challenges, so I know how to help others. My pain became my gift.
What are the benefits of integrative wellness therapy?
The benefits are whole person healing. To meet your fullest potential, you have to create balance for optimal health. I promote health and wellness on all levels, body, mind, and spirit.
We have been having massages by Danielle Elvard for almost 4 years. I used to have to get shots in my back, and I am pretty sure that the reason I haven't had to have one in over a year now is because of Danielle's wonderful skill and talent.
How can everybody find out more?
Well, you can check me out on my website, trinitywellness.solutions. You can contact me directly at 239-200-1576. And I have been a massage therapist for 16 years, and I would love to help you.
If you're having trouble conceiving, the South Florida Institute for Reproductive Medicine can help you. Let's go inside and see all the services that they can offer. We are here with Dr. Alford. So tell us about the different services that you offer here.
Well, we treat any type of infertility. We can do medicated cycles to help you ovulate if you have an ovulation issue. We can do intrauterine inseminations if there's a male factor issue. Those other two treatments have failed to work. We have in vitro fertilization. So for the medicated cycles, our patients usually take medication, a pill, for about 5 days during each menstrual cycle. And then we follow them and monitor them and watch their follicle grow. Once we know that you're about to ovulate, then we start telling you when to have intercourse so you can maximize the chances of conception at that time.
So what is in vitro fertilization?
Yes, that's also known as IVF, and that is basically when we are trying to get as many eggs as we can. So what we do is we're going to give you injections for about 10 or 12 days, and during the egg retrieval, we'll be able to get those eggs. We will fertilize those eggs with the sperm. We put the best 1 or 2 embryos in, depending on what you would have told us before.
How can we all get more information?
So to get more information, you can either call us by telephone, area code 239-687-5600, extension 7739. Our website is ivfmd.com.
We are here in Fort Myers visiting Dr. James Newland, a facial plastic surgeon. Let's go find out how he can make you look 10 to 15 years younger. We are here with Dr. Newland. So tell us about the different procedures that you offer.
Well, I pretty much do the full spectrum of facial plastic surgery. I probably specialize the most in doing facelifts and neck lifts, and so get rid of the waddle under here, take care of all the heavy jowls that people tend to get there.
Yes, and what would you say makes your practice unique? What draws all the people in here?
Well, what I try to do is keep all the patients looking completely natural.
So tell us, what happens when someone comes in here as a new patient?
Well, first I sit them down and ask them what it is about them that bothers them, because I don't want to direct everything, but most people are looking for some sort of education from me on what I think needs to be done. In terms of my background, I'm board certified in head and neck surgery and also in facial plastic surgery. I did spend several years in the military. I did a lot of reconstructive work for the soldiers coming back from Iraq and Afghanistan, and so when you consider putting faces together like that, then some of the cosmetic stuff seems easy.
How can our viewers get a complimentary consultation?
Well, there's 2 different ways that you can contact us. You could go to the website at docnewland.com. If you go there, you'll also be able to see before and after pictures and some examples of what we do. Another easy way to contact us is just to call us at 239-848-1200.
We're in Fort Myers at Root Causes Holistic Health and Medicine. Let's see how they can heal you using a natural method. This is Doreen, the owner and founder of Root Causes. So tell us, what does Root Causes mean?
Root Causes is an approach to health for everyone out there. We use holistic treatment methods to address your general health and well-being, as well as any illnesses or disorders you might have.
And tell us about your natural healing methods.
So the natural methods that we use include vitamins, minerals, and other nutraceuticals, which are just naturally occurring compounds that we give either intravenously, orally, by injection, to address any illness that a patient might have or to promote general wellness and anti-aging. So in addition to that, we use different types of oxygen delivery systems. So we use hyperbaric oxygen and ozone to hyperoxygenate your body so that it can heal faster. In general, better outlook on life.
So how has Root Causes helped you?
Well, I came to Doreen about 8 years ago because I had digestive issues and I was getting worse with the doctors. So I was looking for alternatives. I got a lot of relief here with Doreen. I also come here for anti-aging. I get my shots here, the B12 shots, and glutathione, which is so important for anti-aging.
How can we schedule a consultation?
So you can call the office at 239-425-2900 to schedule a consultation. And you can go to our website for more information, which is rtcausesmd.com.
Are you ready to hear what you're missing and enjoy life again? We're about to go into the Hoagland Family Hearing and Audiology and find out more about what they do. We are with John Hoagland, so tell us what you do at your audiology centers.
Well, our audiology centers do full diagnostic testing of hearing, as well as the testing for tinnitus or ringing ear. We work with every manufacturer of hearing instruments. We do full diagnostic testings, give people dated copies for their medical record, and we treat hearing loss. We consult people with balance and dizziness issues, as well as tinnitus, which is ringing ear.
So how often should people have their hearing tested?
The Surgeon General recommends from 50 and above every 5 years having a hearing test, but from 65 and above they shorten it to every 2 years.
And tell us more about tinnitus. What is that?
Tinnitus is a head noise. Some people describe it as a ring, a buzz, a roar, and for years and years we like everybody, had to tell people they just had to live with it. But there are now remarkable new treatments that have helped people, even with very severe tinnitus.
So how many locations do you have?
We have 4 within the area. Our first one in the Bonita Springs area has been there since 2003. We have a tinnitus and hearing center in Estero. We have an office in Fort Myers by Gulf Coast Hospital, and we're in Dr. Tucker's Vision Center in North Fort Myers.
How can we get more information?
You can visit our website at hoaglandfamilyhearing.com or call us at 494-8651.
Panera Healthcare Clinic is keeping our community healthy here in Naples. Let's go find out how. We are here with Genevieve and Lawrence, the founders. So tell us about Panera Clinic. How'd you guys get started?
When I met Lawrence a few years ago through our church and with all the blessings that we have, we said, let's take that direction. Let's create Panera.
1 in 5 people in Collier do not have insurance or they're low income. So we're here to help fill the gap. One thing that we see, a lot of patients come in and just don't have the money or the financial means to care for their health.
And how do you address these issues?
We're a non-for-profit community-based clinic, and we have services basically for everybody. We see people in the community who have insurance, people who don't have insurance. We also have programs to help out for the people who qualify.
All the services that somebody can have in a primary care setting, so that's what we offer at Panera Clinic. We also see children, we see adults. We are here to serve.
So how can people get involved?
Oh boy, that's a great question. Volunteers. We would love to have people come volunteer for the clinic. Also, we are looking for donations, anywhere from financial donations. We're looking for people who can maybe donate equipment.
The people, they cannot afford the x-rays, so anybody that can get involved to help us get an x-ray machine here, that would be very appreciated.
How do we all get more information?
We are located at 5039 Tamiami Trail East at the Village Falls Plaza.
Our phone number is 239-529-5580, and our website is panerahealthcareclinic.org.
We're in Fort Myers meeting with Psychiatric Associates of Southwest Florida. Let's go find out what treatments they offer. We are here with Dr. Palick. So tell us about your practice and how long have you been around?
I've been practicing psychiatry for 45 years, which makes it a long time. I've been in Fort Myers for 7. This practice is sort of the end of a long career, but it's the beginning of a second career. Psychiatry has changed a tremendous amount. We used to treat patients in 1970, 71. We had 5 medications and psychotherapy. We have now evolved to the point where we do genomic testing prior to using medication. We use transcranial magnetic stimulation, which is spinning magnets generating an electrical field and causing a repolarization of the limbic system. We use TBS, which is theta burst stimulation, which is a faster version of TMS. And we use ketamine infusion, which is an intravenous use of ketamine, 6 treatments over the course of 2 weeks, and we have a 75% response rate. We should be able to take care of 92.5% of the people with depression who come to our office.
Dr. Palick, how can we make an appointment?
Easiest way is to give our office a call at 239-332-4700. You can also get information on our website, which is paswfl.com.
If you're having problems with your feet or ankles, they can help you here at Coastal Foot and Ankle Center. Let's go meet with a doctor to find out more. We are here with Dr. Cagney. So what is your philosophy on helping your community through podiatry care?
My number one philosophy is education. I spend a ton of time educating the patients that come in here so they have knowledge to go home and use that knowledge to better educate the people in their family, as well as to continue the treatment plan that I go over with them.
And is there a way to prevent deformities to the feet?
Yeah, that's a great question. The best way to do that is orthotics. A custom orthotic is a device that we make for the patient. Basically what it'll do is it'll correct the deformity and have them walk better. Also with that, shoe wear. There's so many different shoes out there, it's very, very confusing for people to actually select the proper shoe for them. So basically, when you choose that shoe and you choose that orthotic, people will be less likely to have issues with their feet.
Yes, and what are some of the latest technologies in podiatry today?
So there is the stem cell. There's two different types. There's the PRP, which is the platelet-rich plasma injection, where we take blood from the patient, we spin it down, and we inject it. So what the whole purpose of that is basically having the body go down and try to acutely change the healing process because it's stuck. The other thing is the amniotic injection. That's actually where we take part of the placenta and we inject it in the area. That has been showing great promise in preventing surgical operations too.
How can we make an appointment?
You could call our office at 239-596-7024, or you could schedule an appointment on the web at coastalfootcare.com.
We're at Planet Fitness in Cape Coral today, and Kim's going to give us a great workout. So what are we going to start with today?
Let's start on the elliptical.
All right. So we're getting our workout in today with Kim, the general manager. Now, you guys won something recently. Tell us about it.
We did. We actually, for the third year in a row, we won Best in the Cape. So that means that our readers and everybody out there loves us here. We have tons of equipment, tons of cardio equipment, strength equipment. We have our black spa area that has our tanning, our total body enhancement, our hydro massage beds, our massage chairs, and of course our training that we offer for no charge.
So keep talking. We want to see how out of breath we can get you. So what about prices?
So we have 2 memberships here. First membership is our popular one. It's our $10 a month membership. That's where everybody knows us by. That includes everything in here, all the equipment, the trainer. And then our very most popular one is our Black Card one. Now that includes all the equipment, of course, the trainer, and then our Black Card spa area, all included for just $19.99 a month.
So how can we all get healthier and work out with Planet Fitness?
You can check us out online at planetfitness.com, or you can give us a call at 239-800-3155.
You can have a beautiful white smile that lasts 6 months to a year, and it only takes 30 minutes here at Premier Smiles at the Flamingo Island Flea Market. And this is Joanne, the owner and operator. So tell us, what sets you apart when creating those Premier Smiles?
Hello, Katie, and welcome to Premier Smiles, a professional teeth whitening salon. Our first priority is your health and well-being. So at Premier Smiles, your procedure is handled by trained, licensed dental professionals. We not only ensure your safety and satisfaction, but we also guarantee that your results will be 6 to 10 shades whiter and brighter with no teeth sensitivity. And for those who have had dental work, we will bring your caps, crowns, veneers, bondings, dentures, and lumineers back to their original luster. Our retail products aid in prolonging your premier smile until your next visit. Also, gift cards and group rates are always available.
So where can we find you?
Visit Premier Smiles at the Flamingo Island Flea Market Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. We are located in the Blue Aisle, number 48 and 130, or you can call us with any questions at 941-447-7152.
Look at all these delicious treats. We're here at Lisa's Gluten-Free Bakery in Naples. Let's go meet with Lisa herself and find out more about them. We are here with Lisa Coker, the owner. So tell us all about Lisa's Gluten-Free Bakery.
Lisa's Gluten-Free Bakery opened last November in this facility. It is a 100% dedicated gluten-free facility where we bake, package, and deliver our products to retail shops, businesses, markets, coffee shops, and more to come in the fall.
Now, all of this looks delicious. Can you tell us about your products?
Sure. Well, of course, our products are all 100% gluten-free. They are made with the best ingredients we can find.
So where can people find your products?
Well, people can find our products by calling the bakery and placing a special order. They can also find our products at the 3rd Street South Farmers Market from November through April, every Saturday morning from 7:30 to 11:30. And during the rest of the year, they can go to Neighborhood Organics, a little shop up at the shops at Vanderbilt. They can find some things at Swan River Seafood, and our newest member of the family is Kunjani's Coffee Shop.
How can we get more information on all these goodies?
Well, if you want to call or text to 239-370-1167, that would be great. Or visit our Facebook page at Lisa's Gluten-Free Bakery.
When back to school shopping, don't forget your vision. Here at LensCrafters, they have a huge selection and some stylish choices. So Dr. Whetstone, as far as the back to school regimen, what would you recommend?
First thing and most important thing is to make sure you get your eyes examined, because we don't do a lot of back-to-school eye examinations, but what we do is we do a lot of eye examinations after the first report card comes out. I know when it hits because we get inundated with phone calls from parents. It's really important to get the eyes checked before you get into school so that it doesn't set up this bad negative feeling. 85% of what we learn comes in through the visual system. If they're not seeing properly, it's going to be hard for them to pay attention, to learn, and to understand. As part of the testing, we not only check them in terms of glasses, but making sure the eyes are working together as a team. As part of the testing, we can also look at things like dyslexia, learning disabilities. So again, we can catch it early, make a recommendation to the school, and just make everybody happy in terms of the parent, the child, and the teachers, and making their life a lot easier.
How do we contact LensCrafters?
Well, the best thing to do is to get us before school starts, so the first 2 weeks of August or during that tax holiday. The number here is 239-649-1650. We do eye examinations 7 days a week. We can accommodate your schedule.
We know that Rock Solid always treats their customers like family, so today we're here with Director of Media Relations, Dan Krinsky, and we're going to meet their family.
Thanks a lot for coming again today, Katie. Why don't we go inside and meet our sales staff?
I'm Ken Fish. I want to go ahead and introduce the members of our sales staff. I have Nelson, I have Vito, I have Justin. These are the guys you're going to see right at the beginning. We're going to go ahead and actually walk you through the process. We're going to make this really comfortable for you, and we're going to completely take care of you from start to finish.
So when you met the salespeople, now who's next on the tour of the Rock Solid family?
Well, next on our family tour will be our customer service department. One of our ladies here, the first one you're going to see, is Alejandra, and she's involved in repair specialty work. Next up is our work order specialist. That's Laura. She might be a person that you would talk to throughout the process. Next stop here on our family tour at Rock Solid is the fabrication shop. And some of the guys involved back here are Menendez, who's our chief cutter. Pony's also involved in edging and polishing, and Fernando takes care of a lot of delivery and transport.
So what's next on the tour?
Well, it's our last stop on the Rock Solid family tour here, but it's certainly not our least. This is Stuart, our operations manager.
And what else do you do?
Basically, I keep Rock Solid pumped up.
All right, well, how do we find out more about everything we've seen today?
Well, you can contact the Rock Solid family by calling us at 239-596-7676, or obviously you can contact us on our web at hugegranitedeals.com.
This new listing we're about to show you in North Naples is located west of 41, so you can easily ride your bike here to Vanderbilt Beach. It's being offered by Katie Gover with Keating Associates. Live the true Florida lifestyle where you can walk or ride your bike to the beach without crossing any major roads. This new listing is located west of 41, right by Vanderbilt Beach, and also Delnor Wiggins Pass State Park Beach, where you can launch your boat, go canoeing, paddleboard, kayak, and so much more. In addition, you're just a short bike ride or walk to Mercado that has Naples' hottest shopping, dining, and entertainment. The home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, with a garage. It is freshly remodeled and looks like a new home, with many new features including a new roof and new air conditioning system. Italian porcelain white tile flows from the front porch to the bright, open main room. Other upgrades include new matching quartz countertops throughout, new kitchen backsplash, fresh paint on the inside and out, equipped with brand new stainless steel appliances. The home also has a screened-in lanai for relaxing or having dinner in the privacy of your own yard. To top it off, you get all this with no HOA fees. What could be better? This is a resident here in Naples Park, so what do you think about living here?
Well, this is a great place to live, Katie. Friendly people, you are close to the beach. You can ride your bike to the beach or walk. And there's good dining here, surrounded with great restaurants and shops.
To find out more, call Katie Gover at 239-293-3089 or visit bestofnaplesrealestate.com.